कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Working President ka United Democratic Party ba polling do hak ba pintip ya ka Jingpynkhreh jang ka Regional Democratic Alliance nagbinda ki election MP ya ka ba on sa pinbanatarik da ka Election Commission of India ula pinpaw ba ka party menta kala Ïaid hak ka Lynti ka baday. Habekran ba kila patay kubor ula yat ho ba ki constituency committee ba prepare kila ya kendo yu kurtong ba ula let sa keleng ki jaka jang ki constituency ba dangshen ula let ban yu kejat sa West Khasi Hills. Hal kini kita yau beladep bat kemik Lynti beunla ban pendep ya ki babuan ki jengalang.
Party has already started moving in the right direction. Various constituency committees are meeting, and the candidate is touring various parts already. He has visited West Khasi Hills in the past 1 week. And we hope that we should be able to complete his taking part in various meetings within the prescribed time by the election commission. Well, various issues have already been spelled out by our candidate at when he was declared as the official candidate. Those issues are very vital, and we are fortunate that we have been able to select the best possible issues which are relevant to the Lok Sabha. And that apart, since two major regional parties have come together under this alliance, and also at a time when the aspirations of regional parties is going to be a major focal point of the Lok Sabha elections, we are very optimistic that our candidate will sail through.